Recording.
Mama, I want to tell you something. That thing right behind out there, we have basements. Guess what was that?
Oh, our carabiner? Are you talking about our carabiner?
No.
Do you want to tell Grandma? Want to tell the grandparents where we are?
We are in the Blacksmith Shop right now, and see the lantern over there. There's a whole bunch of tools down there. Mama,
Okay, I got it.
down there.
Okay, look at the tools. Wow, look at all those tools.
Oh, Mama, you see that?
Which one? The axe handle?
See that?
Yeah.
He made one of those before.
Oh. So he just made one over there in the forge, huh?